Good morning, good morning, good morning, good afternoon, and good night, you guys. Yeah, we have to get ready now. It's early Monday morning, and I'm on my mom duty. First thing up on my agenda, getting my boo-boo ready for school. My big baby is already off to work, left us in bed this morning. So that's what I'm busy doing till I just have breakfast, and now he's about to get dressed and head out to school. Say morning, Faves.
Mama.
Oh, say morning, Faves. Say morning.
Morning, Mama.
Say morning.
Morning, Mama.
Say morning, Faves.
Morning, fish, Mama.
Yes. What you doing? What is that? What is that? You're surfing? Go like this. Ooh. Go like this. Put your hands out like this. Do it. Surf. You on the surfboard? Alright, let's go get ready for school. Ready for school? Ready to go see your teacher and all your friends?
Yeah.
Alright, let's do this.
I'll go.
He said he wants to do the notification before he goes to school. Okay, let Mama go for her phone to see who's to do the who's to get notification shout out today, okay? Who notification shout out goes to?
Yati.
Who? You're just making up a name?
Yeah.
Said notification shout out goes out to everybody.
Notification goes to everybody.
Since I don't have my phone right now and I'm running late, so later tonight he'll really give the notification shout out.
Mama.
He knows his job, so he just wants to get it done. Anyway, you guys, hopefully you guys are having a good day.
Mama.
Yeah, hopefully you guys are off to a good week and is well in the thick of things by the time you guys are watching this video. Stay loved, stay blessed, stay motivated, get everything done this week that you guys is set out to accomplish. Just do it. I'm going to go and get my baby ready for school, and then I'll catch you guys at some point throughout the day. Love you guys, and I'll see you guys in a bit. Come tell Faves later. Come.
Mama.
Tell Faves, see you guys later. Alright.
Mama.
Yeah. Come brush.
You could call me today.
Hmm?
You could call me today.
Yeah.
Okay, I shall see.
So I didn't get to show you guys what I was making for breakfast, but this is the end result, and I'm gonna grab right now because I'm hungry. Shawty, breakfast time. I have a question for you guys. Quick question for you guys. Comment down below and tell me which meal of the day is your favorite. Breakfast, lunch, dinner, or maybe snack. Which meal of the day is your favorite? That's the question for today. You guys, have you guys finished wrapping your all your Christmas gifts already? I am here wrapping Christmas gifts and I'm exhausted from wrapping all these gifts. Oh my god, all these are for family. We're going away this weekend and we won't be back until next week because we're spending Christmas with my husband's side of the family, of course, in another city where we always go to, in Avignon. So we'll be in Avignon for the holiday, but we're leaving on Saturday. So what we normally do is we always buy gifts for all our friends' kids because there's so many. I think all our friends, almost all our friends have kids. So we're wrapping gifts for all the kiddos, and I still have a few more gifts to wrap for Tyler, and I still have gift that's coming in the mail for Ty that I need to wrap. So hopefully those come before the weekend, or else we will just have to get those after we get back from the holidays. But I think we're returning on Christmas Day in the evening because we're not spending New Year's Day there. We're spending New Year's Day at home. I've never experienced New Year's in Nice and I wanted to do that this year, so we're spending New Year's at home. So wrapping a few more gifts for Ty and one more gift for another friend. So I have these 3 to go. Tyler has been dying for this game. It's magnet circles with these magnet sticks, and you get to create all these cool things from it. And this one is 30, I think it's 35 pieces, and like I show you on the box, you can create all these cool things. And Tyler, you guys know Tyler is such a creator, but the cool thing about this is that you can buy more pieces and add to it. So I think that's what we're gonna do. And Tyler is also into Dragon Ball Z. He's into Dragon Ball Z and he's into Naruto these days. So babe saw this cool Dragon Ball Z character. Babe saw this cool Dragon Ball Z character and he bought it for him. So I'm going to, he doesn't know about these, so I'm going to wrap these for Ty and wrap this one for my brother-in-law stepson. So the gift wrapping is on. All done. Family, these shall go with us on the weekend. All right, my last mission with gifts for this week is to go and get my husband's gift, though he doesn't have a clue what he wants and I don't have a clue what to get him, but I'm gonna go and get him something this week when he's out of town. All right, you guys, mission complete. Okay, you guys, I'm about to make dinner for the fam, and dinner tonight for the fam is gonna be quinoa, which I haven't cooked in a while. And I realized that I'm really slacking off on vegetables for Tyler, and he's been telling me about vegetable soup that he's been drinking at school and he loves it. So I find it at the supermarket because I don't have the little blender thing to make it, though I could make it with my normal blender. But I find it at the supermarket, and I'm gonna try it for him. And this one is broccoli, green peas and zucchini. So I'm just gonna warm this, and then I have these juicy chicken breasts, leftovers from yesterday, from last night. So that is dinner for tonight for the fam bam. Okay, you guys, so there goes dinner: vegetable soup, baked chicken breasts, and quinoa. Dinner is as simple as it gets. Donezo. My babies will be happy.
Mama.
Hi.
Mama.
Hi, look who is home from school. Say hi to the faves.
Hi, Mama.
Yes, baby.
Want to play with me?
I am going to eat right now. I'm hungry. And you already ate. You want to show the faves what you're doing?
Yeah.
What you doing?
Come show the sit here. Oh,
You want me to leave faves with you?
and you put faves. This one here.
Put
and you
faves right
sit
here.
here.
No, I am not staying. I am going to eat.
Sit.
No, I'm not staying. I'm going to eat.
And
You can show Faves what you're doing. Faves is right here.
Mama,
Yes.
do you want to help me?
No, talk to Faves. Okay?
Okay. Faves. I'm.
Ça va mon grand?
Oui,
Tu as fait le goûter de Noël aujourd'hui?
oui,
C'était bien?
oui.
Tu as bien mangé?
C'est du shampoing bon.
Tu as mangé les chocobons?
Oui, et les mandarines aussi.
Et les mandarines aussi?
Oui,
Ok, tu aimes beaucoup?
oui.
Ok, good job.
Look what Faves sent you in the mail today. You guys, the cutest surprise came in the mail today for us. This came in the mail from a subscriber, I'm sure. It says, Merry Christmas. Let me read what it says inside for you. It says, to Mel, Ludo, and Tyler, Merry Christmas and Happy 2019. Best wishes from Julia Jones, England, UK. Say hi, Julia.
Hi, Julia.
Thank you for your card.
Okay. And what
You like
is,
it?
what it says?
It says Merry Christmas.
Here is
It says Merry
it says Merry Christmas.
Right.
And it has a seven
It have a tree on it. You like it?
and it's white.
You like it?
Yeah.
Yeah. All right. The notification shout out to
Not to make it such a that goes to
Nathan Dixon
Nathan Dixon
and Ella Mills.
yeah, Mills.
Thanks for watching, guys.
Watching
All right.
that.
Till the night. You're going to bed.
I didn't go to bed. I want chocolate
You
milk.
want chocolate milk before you go to bed?
Mama,
Ask Papa for chocolate
Mama.
milk. Yes.
the chocolate milk and tablet.
No.
I go to
No.
bed.
No tablet tonight. No tablet today. You guys, babe went to the store and got the thing that I ordered for here, and it looks so cute and it's coming together so nicely. Let me give you guys a shot this way to show you what the little corner looks like. So we have one more picture to get to go right here, and that's one with babe and I. Let's see which one I'll come up with, but it's coming along pretty cool. I like it. So now I need to buy some things to put on here, but it's just like I visioned it. That's exactly how it's turning out to be. Perfect.
Hi guys, I didn't see you today, so it's the evening, about to go to bed soon, and yeah, just wanted to say a little hello. I hope you all doing well. I hope you enjoyed the vlog. Today's Monday is, oh, I should say the last week before Christmas, so Yeah, I know for a lot of people it's the last week before some vacation, and it's not gonna be vacation for us, but at least some day off. Yeah, today was also amazing in terms of sunny outside. Is December 17? Yeah, I think December 17, and it's still sunny outside, like 16 or 17 degree. That was crazy. So I hope you all have a wonderful day. My day was busy, but it was good. Tomorrow will be an interesting day. Yeah, hope you, well, if you enjoyed the vlog, don't forget to give a thumbs up. Baby's feeling a little bit headache, so yeah. Don't forget to turn on also the notification bell. Um, the YouTube notifications not working properly, so just know we used to update, we used to upload every day except weekend vlog, so don't forget to come. Give this video a thumbs up, catch up and keep up, and we'll see you guys tomorrow. Have a good night.